Welcome to the presentation on Bitmap Indexes. Learn how to use bit arrays for efficient filtering in database systems. Let's get started. Let's understand what bitmap indexes are. A bitmap index is a special type of database index that uses bit arrays, also known as bitmaps, to represent whether a specific attribute value exists or not. They are optimized for low cardinality columns, meaning columns with only a few distinct values. Each distinct value has its own bitmap. Each bit position corresponds to a row in the table. If a bit value is 1, it means the row has that value. If it is 0, it means it does not. For example, consider a table with gender and row ID columns. The gender column has two bitmaps, one for male and one for female. If the gender is male, the bitmap for male will have a 1 and the bitmap for female will have a 0. This way, bitmap indexes represent data efficiently. Let's see how bitmap indexes work with an example. Consider a table with columns for row ID, name, department, and status. The department column can have values like sales, IT, and HR. The status column can have values like active and inactive. We create bitmap indexes for the department and status columns. So we will have bitmaps for department sales, department IT, department HR, status active, and status inactive. The department sales bitmap will have a 1 in positions 1 and 4, indicating that rows 1 and 4 belong to the sales department. The department IT bitmap has 1s in positions 2 and 5, indicating that rows 2 and 5 belong to the IT department. Each bitmap represents a specific attribute value. A bit is set to 1 if the corresponding row has that value and 0 otherwise. Bitmap indexes use bitwise operations for query processing. Consider this SQL query example. Select all columns from the employees table where the department is sales and the status is active. Using bitmap indexes, this query is processed by performing a bitwise AND operation between the department sales and status active bitmaps. The resulting bitmap 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 indicates that rows 1 and 4 match the query criteria. The other example is department IT or department HR. The resulting bitmap 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 indicates that rows 2, 3, and 5 match the query criteria. Complex queries can be efficiently processed by combining bitmaps using bitwise operations. Bitmap indexes offer several key benefits. They provide fast query performance for complex multi-column filtering operations using simple bitwise operations like AND, OR, and NOT. Bitmap indexes offer space efficiency through bitmap compression techniques like word-aligned hybrid or byte-aligned bitmap code. Bitmap indexes are excellent for data warehousing and online analytical processing systems with low cardinality columns and read-heavy workloads. They are ideal for analytical queries that filter on multiple dimensions simultaneously. Bitmap indexes enable central processing unit-efficient operations that leverage hardware-level bitwise instructions. But comparing with other indexes like B-tree index, which takes 80 milliseconds, and hash index, which takes 60 milliseconds, bitmap index takes only 30 milliseconds. Bitmap indexes also supports bitmap compression. As shown in the example, 40 bits of uncompressed data can be compressed to 8 bytes using run-length encoding. Bitmap indexes also have key limitations. They have a high cardinality problem and are inefficient for columns with many unique values, such as primary keys or timestamps. There is update overhead. It can be expensive to maintain for tables with frequent updates, inserts, or deletes. There are also storage requirements. Bitmap indexes can become large for high cardinality columns, even with compression. They are not suitable for online transaction processing. They have poor performance in transaction-heavy systems with frequent data modifications. As shown in the cardinality chart, bitmap index is excellent if number of values is 2 to 10, good if number of values is 10 to 100, and poor if it is more than 100. The ideal use case for bitmap indexes is for data warehousing and online analytical processing systems, for read-heavy workloads with few updates, for low cardinality columns like gender, status, and so on, and for complex queries with multiple filtering conditions. Bitmap indexes are used in many real-world applications. They are extensively used in data warehousing systems to accelerate complex analytical queries across multiple dimensions. For example, Oracle's data warehouse solutions use bitmap indexes to optimize queries that filter on multiple low cardinality columns like region, product category, and time period. Search engines use bitmap indexes to quickly filter documents based on multiple criteria and perform fast set operations. For example, Elasticsearch uses bitmap filters to efficiently handle queries with multiple conditions, such as finding documents that match specific tags, categories, and date ranges. Column-oriented databases like Apache Parquet and ClickHouse leverage bitmap indexes to accelerate filtering operations on columnar data. For example, ClickHouse uses bitmap indexes to speed up queries on large datasets, particularly for analytical workloads that filter on multiple columns simultaneously. Machine learning systems use bitmap indexes for feature selection and filtering training data based on multiple attributes. For example, recommendation systems use bitmap indexes to quickly filter candidate items based on multiple user preferences and item attributes before applying more complex ranking algorithms. In summary, bitmap indexes use bit arrays to represent the presence or absence of values, making them highly efficient for low cardinality columns. They excel at complex queries with multiple filtering conditions through fast bitwise operations such as an or and not. They are ideal for data warehousing, online analytical processing, and read-heavy analytical workloads, but less suitable for online transaction processing systems with frequent updates. Performance degrades with high cardinality columns, and they have higher maintenance costs for frequently updated tables. Some further learning resources include the research paper, Bitmap Index Design and Evaluation by Patrick O'Neill and Dallin Quas, Oracle Database Concepts Guide, Bitmap Indexes and FastBit, an efficient compressed bitmap index technology. Understanding bitmap indexes helps optimize database performance for analytical workloads. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.